Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Berlin Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. A long distance relocation often comes with more stress and expense. Our long distance moving company involves more than 50 miles distance and takes more than 24 hours. Long distance relocation is always complex when you have several fragile items to move. With 3 movers handling your long distance move, you'll not have to worry about the safety of your properties. We meticulously handle such items during the packing, loading, and unloading stages to avoid damages. If any damages happen at all, we have insurance to cover it. Our friendly movers also keep the clients comfortable throughout the long-distance journey and deliver your properties to the new place within the stipulated time frame. We abide by all long-distance relocation regulations laid down by the FMCSA and maintain an excellent relationship with them. Our local movers can provide excellent moving services per hour. These moves are usually less expensive and less stressful. Our drivers are familiar with the best routes around Berlin and will guarantee a stress-free drive to your new home or office regardless of the hustling and bustling nature of the streets. Our local moving services cost an affordable price of $30 to $40 per hour. You'll get value for every dollar you invest into working with our moving company. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Berlin moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.